Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to render a video in Premiere Pro. First thing you want to do is move your playhead at the start of the video, press I on your keyboard, which is in point. Go ahead and go at the end of your video, press O on your keyboard, which is out point. Now between these 2 points, this is the area that you will be rendering. Click on export right here. And then choose your location and name your file. So I will name my file, press save, and then choose preset. So I will choose, let's say, YouTube 1080p Full HD. This is completely up to you. You can always just press match source so it fits the whole screen of your video. And as a format, don't forget to pick H.264. Then go down and important step is render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality in order to increase the quality of your render. Now you can choose between VBR 1 pass or 2 pass. This is basically the video will be rendered once in 16 megabits per second, or you can render video twice and then combine it to one, just like this. So the first render will be 16 and second will be something different. You can do it. For most cases, VBR pass 1 is just enough. I will lower the quality a little bit so the file isn't that big. So let's say 10 megabits per second, and then go ahead and click export. Now you can open your Finder and find your file. And as you can see, we have rendered our video. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.